Welcome to Old Town Spice Merchants. We have over 80 loose leaf teas, herbal teas, green teas, white teas, oolong teas, and everything's sold by the ounce. And our spices, we have blends, different blends that we make here for Italian, fish, barbecue, all kinds of different flavors that you can put on your food. And we also sell single spices. We have over 20 different sea salts, and we also have flavored sugars. We have many locals that shop here, and every day we have new locals that have discovered us. We just started a frequent buyer card, so when someone comes in and buys an ounce of single spice, a tea, or any of our blends, for every ounce that you buy, we'll put a stamp on the card, and after you buy 9 ounces, then you get your 10th free.